All right, American Dream Mall. Right now we're inside the Primark. It's 7:42 p.m. It's a Friday, July 10th, 2026. Let's go. Some good Friday vibes here at the American Dream Mall. Nice and cool in here in the Primark. Let's walk around. The plan is to walk towards the food court and all of that. Let's go, let's go. We're on level 3 right now of the mall. Quite a bit of people here today. So I guess the way out is over here. I seen this window, so I thought it was here. Okay, so let's go through here. We can cut through the middle here. Got a little big guy. Let me make sure a little big guy's straight. Yeah, little big guy's okay. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go. Let's get back out to the mall streets. Back in the mall streets. As you can see, the lower levels jumping more than up here. Quite a bit of people, but there's quite a bit of people up here. There's people everywhere today. Super awesome. Been here a little while. I like coming out here. We're right near Manhattan. Up here near the MetLife Stadium, Meadowlands, all that. Let's go. There's a lot more people by the food court. So this section right here is a little bit less amounts of people. Let's go. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Yeah, they got the music cranking up here. This spot definitely has the louder music for sure. I guess they play it from here down towards the whole mall. Like, this is kind of where it starts. And this looks like, oh, another Ibisu Life Store. I think it's Japanese, I'm guessing. A lot of these stores sound like that. So it's probably a Japanese store. What do you got here? Oh, Best Buy. There's a Best Buy here? I didn't know that. Wow. That's pretty interesting. That's pretty cool. Best Buy in the mall here. I didn't expect that. Okay, so yeah, this is the food court right here. The food court is very lively today. A lot of people at the food court. All right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go. A lot of cool restaurants here. Definitely a good spot. Definitely a good spot. The food court. Cool food court. Cool food court. Very cool food court. Alrighty, alrighty, alrighty. Let's go. Alright, 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 let's go. We got the music cranking. Of course, I have to talk over that. Creator Kryptonite, that's what that's how it is, that's the drill. Yeah, this is so cool up here. This is a very nice food court. Manhattan's right over there to my left. If you look through the window, you can see way out back there. Got Popeyes right here. Jollibee, Wendy's. all right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, let's go. All right, all right, all right. Let's go, let's go. It's like a club in here. Definitely loud for sure. Very loud for sure. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Here we go, here we go. All right, all right. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. All right, all right. I don't know if you can actually go out there without like buying tickets. I'm not sure. Do you need a ticket to get the view? I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know. Do you have to pay to get the view? That's a good question. I guess you can go out here. I don't know. Wow, super cool. There's Manhattan. Part of it, you can kind of see it. Nice view from here. The way the sun is hitting looks really dope. Looks really cool. And there's the Ferris wheel. Let me try to get a... I don't like changing the camera when I'm on it. But let's see if I could do it real quick. There is the Ferris wheel. Whoa, super high. Super, super high. Pretty amazing. Wow. Whoa. Awesome, awesome views. All right, let's go, let's go. So we can't really see a whole lot. We can see some out there. So yeah, okay, that's cool. We can come out here without any tickets.